Hey guys, this is Bhavya Kaur along with my teammate Ishan Shah. We have built Asset, personalized DeFi investment advisor. Before I begin with the demo, here is a brief introduction to the project. Asset is a smart DeFi tool powered with the help of AI agents that customizes DeFi investment strategies for users based on their own risk appetite. We realized that to bring each and every single user on chain, we need to make DeFi strategies accessible to the world, personalize the investment strategies presented to the user so that their onboarding is smooth. For the risk assessment pieces, Asset has a gamified quiz that presents the user with a set of various scenarios, and based on the answer for each scenario, AI agent will calculate a score and give you a personality. The AI agent is smart enough to take your on-chain wallet data along with your risk assessment score and group you into one of the four categories. Now this right here is very valuable because with this you can introduce cohorting where you can group a set of wallet addresses onto a cohort and do a lot of targeted marketing to them. So before I move on to the future use cases, let's start with Asset. So we have introduced Asset here, and we use on-chain kit that lets users sign up with a smart wallet or their existing wallet. On the homepage, they see their on-chain activity. This is just a display on this side, but also you see one of the things is that the AI agent is able to fetch all the ERC20 tokens and the loser ERC20 tokens, so that it gives you a heads up that if you are looking to invest in any of the ERC20 tokens that are getting launched right now, you may want to check this out as well. So now let's move on to the risk appetite piece. So this starts with a gamified question, and say the dragon's lair. You stumble upon a mysterious cave, rumored to house treasure or chest. What do you do? There are three questions presented. I'll select just one of them and move ahead, and it will keep giving you questions based on your previous answers and tweak the things according to you. That's like what you want to do. And I'll just quickly move on and go through this quiz so that I can show you the next piece where it comes on with the personality for me based on my on-chain score and the quiz assessment. So I'm just rushing through this because I've gotten the quiz already. And yeah, the last question here. Okay, so once this is done, you'll be redirected back to the homepage. And now if I check now again, oh yeah. So one of the things that it has given me, it is I am a maverick gambler based on what score that I had. And it gives me a description of the personality that you are a bold and a daring risk taker who thrives on excitement and opportunity. It will also give me my personality traits and suggest me this leverage trading and perps strategy and how you can relate that to the Web2 world. This is like options trading in the Indian stock market, but on steroids. Big wins, big risk, handle with care. One of the other things that we introduced to the platform was to share this on Twitter instantly. How this works is so that what we want is more users being onboarded. Hence, you will be able to share it and shout out your scores onto Twitter, and people can take the quiz and match with each other. So this is the gamified experience. Moving on to the last piece is the trading bot, which we have integrated using Aave. So what we do here is we have introduced depositing to Aave. So the tool is able to understand that, and based on that, like it is able to say, please specify how much USDC would you like to give it. So let's say 100 USDC, and you need to send it. So I'll just say send deposit to Aave. So right now we are funding the wallet of the agent directly. That's why it is able to do the transaction here. And let's go. So it says deposited 100 USDC to Aave on DX hash, and this is the transaction hash. So we are live on base mainnet, and here we go. So this is the whole transaction. Coming on to the last piece of my presentation where we introduce future use cases. So one of the things we want to do is be like a integration layer for DeFi protocols, so you can directly integrate with them. We also want to give SBTs and sort of like soul-bound tokens so that users can share it and keep it with them. We want to introduce social investing where apps like Interface can use the cohorts that we have created to suggest the strategies and things like that. So thank you. This is Team Asset.